Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick video for you just showing you how I created this scrapbooking layout with the Hip Kit Club's August kits. I'm just showing you here I've pre-cut the cut file and I've fussy cut those hearts out, stitched them down, and I've stuck my threads down with some washi tape. I've also popped that cut file up on some foam and just so it gives it a bit of lift. That's my photo that I'm going to be using today. So what I'm doing is just sorting through all the scrap papers. I don't have a lot of paper left from the kit, so I'm just sorting through the little bits and pieces that I've got to layer the photo on, and that way just use up some of those remaining pattern papers. That's all I've got from that Maggie Holmes Willow Lane paper, is that tiny little bit that you just saw there. So that's it. I've used pretty much that paper on nearly every layout this month. So just backing the photo first on that other Willow Lane paper. I think that's the heart paper, but that's the back side that I'm using. So just cutting that down quite close to the photo. And then I will start working out where I want all these bits and pieces. So I've got that striped Amy Tangerine paper as well. I've just cut off some of the excess. It was torn on one edge, so I'm just taking off some of that white and just attaching the photo to those. And I think that might be it for, oh no, I've got that black one from Amy Tangerine as well. A little scrap piece there that I'm going to use. But that's it for the pattern papers. So what I do now is I've still got quite a lot of the die cut pieces, the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane pack that came with the kit. I still have quite a lot left. So I'm going to go through all of the ones that I probably won't use on layouts, and I'm going to use those to back my photo with as well. So I've grabbed some of those little banners and tags there. I've got that swan die cut that's going in that corner. I'm also going to grab some of these letter cards, the pear one, that card there, that embellishment, and the lemonade tree one as well. And I've got a little off cut from a tag from a previous layout. So I've stuck all of those down. And I'm just grabbing some of the gold glitter hearts on the sticker sheet we got, and I'm just going to put 3 of those on the fussy cut hearts just to draw the eye to those elements as well. And you'll see I've got that fussy cut floral piece from one of the pattern papers left over, so I'll use that, and a couple of the butterfly stickers as well. So just getting those stuck down now. That little purple or mauve butterfly lost its sticky backing as I was taking it off the sheet. So I'm going to adhere that with some liquid glue. Just down and tuck it under that floral embellishment there. So just attaching those hearts while I've got my liquid glue open. And then I'm going to grab the sticker sheet that's got all the little tiny floral pieces on it. I don't have much left, so I'm going to try and use it all up on this layout. So I'm just sticking some of the blue, tucking them under that banner just to again draw the eye to that banner piece. And just some at the top of the photo and a couple at the bottom of the photo as well. Just adding some of the leaves to those. So there's 3 up the top near the banner and some in each cluster above and below the photo. So just getting the last couple down now. So a yellow one there, and a little white one at the bottom, and that's it for the sheet. So I've used that entire sheet on my layouts. Just adding 3 more heart stickers to those hearts. So 2 yellow and 1 blue. And that's it. So now I'm going to adhere down the banner. So just popped some liquid glue on that, and excuse my head while I put that in place. I want to line that up so none of the white background is showing. And I'm just adding my title now. So I adhered the whole page onto a white piece of cardstock because I wanted to cut that cut file out of the same paper that I wanted my background. And I don't get more than 1 paper in my kit. I just subscribe to the main kit. So I only get 1 of each paper. So that's why I've stuck it all down to a white background. So using those black foam alpha stickers to add when friends visit. That's my title. So just popping that down now and making sure I go back and grab the little dots for both those lowercase i's. I'm just squashing those in. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab my ink pad and my date stamp, and I'm just going to check on my phone here. I use a photo diary, just confirming the exact date that this photo was taken. And I'm going to stamp the date under the title. I wanted to add a little bit of journaling, but I felt that if the only space was to the left of the photo, and I thought that would completely cover the entire layout then. So I've popped it on the back, which is something I do quite often. And I'm just recording about my daughter's friends. Some of them we live in a country town in New South Wales, and some of her friends live quite a distance away, but they're at the stage of life where they're all getting their licenses. And she had one pop in and visit her. So that's it. So here's some final shots of the finished layout. I love how it turned out. It's a little bit busy, but I love the pop of colour on the page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.